So in this particular one, we got the wall that goes around Xi'an. So there's I think it said 37 square kilometers, I believe. So basically the city spreads out a lot further than that. But what we're trying to do right now is going to get on top of the wall, and we're just going to what I think is going to be an entrance gate. So let's find out. Oddly enough, I see how they're getting on the wall over here. So I was inside the temple area and I just had to go straight. So there's our wall. It's kind of funny. Anyways, I'll get up there now and I can overlook this temple and it'll be part of the video. Okay, so we're almost there. And it says the largest and most complete existing ancient building, longest history in China. So we're gonna go, hello. How are you? So we're gonna go up here. Entrance. Okay. Oh, it's 54 RMB. All right, well, let's do it. 8 to 8. At least feel a bit on the wall. And now I know that it's closed at after 8 p.m. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna go on up. It took a while. Everything is on the phone, so if you come here, you gotta have download all these Chinese apps and then on and on and on. But looks like they kind of helped me get around it a little bit because they'll give me cash and they put it on their phone, and then I pay them, and then on and on and on, and then head to a scanner. Anyways, let's go up to the top. Very cool. Kind of what I wanted to do right here. And I can see, get up on top of this wall. And there's lots of people up here too. Wish I had an umbrella. No ramp riding, okay. There's some kids with bikes. I guess they're riding the ramps. And I've got a view of the wall. They're saying hello, so I'll wave back. So I don't want to yell, but so we can walk all the way down that way, and we can walk around the whole wall right here, which is pretty cool. Oh man, should have brought an umbrella though. It's gonna be, I don't really have a good way. So we have this little space right in here, and we get lots of attention today, of course. So let's walk over this way. Oh, they're gonna follow me for a while. Okay, that's all right. It is what it is. So that's the moat on the other side. So that's the city that's not in the wall. And then they have all these ones. Hello again. Hi. So they're really excited. Okay, so this is actually the whole wall right here, and we basically did that whole temple and came all the way up. So actually that's pretty cool. I'm gonna do a separate video up on the wall, but we basically also overlooked this whole temple right here. So we got it. We did it. We did it. So they're still excited. So okay. Anyways, let's end it right there. Okay, so we're in Xi'an and we made it on top of the wall. So we'll just kind of give you a little 360. Got it. This is one corner, the northwest corner. It says right there, northwest turret. And so we're going to be walking down here in a little bit. They're saying hello to me quite a bit, so they'll say hello again in a second. And we're basically, oh no, right here, northwest. And we're going to basically walk down this way and just kind of see what we can see as we do. So it should be pretty cool. Okay, on the wall. This is the northwest corner, and I think what we're going to try to do is just kind of see what's on the sides. And so basically this is the outside the wall, and this is 37 square meters within the wall, and I guess you can walk all the way down to there and then all the way down and all the way around in a big square. And it's only open 8 to 8. You can see it's over here. So that will be outside the wall And there's a moat over there too. Pretty cool. I think I hear some music, so we'll try to highlight some of the key stuff as well. Okay. Got some loudspeakers up there too. Up on the wall of Xi'an. This is one of my goals, to come up to Xi'an just to be walking on this wall. I wonder what this looked like originally. I can't imagine, because this looks like it has like cement, that they have it in a very specific way. But anyways, you can see that northwest quadrant that we were at. I guess I'll do me as well. And actually what I want to do is come and see what this little things are, like this. Here's your location. Because if you have some problem, you can call. Let people where you are. That makes sense. There's probably situations where somebody gets in some kind of problem. You just say where they are. It's a moat right down there. And all of Xi'an, the outside of the wall. Okay. So I'm going to be turning the camera on and off and just kind of, you know, viewing different aspects of it. I guess this would be a good view because this actually has the wall right here. Yep. Okay, we're still walking down the wall, and it looks like they rent bikes out or they collect bikes. I think most people are taking bikes. Not many people are walking like myself and that guy. These are some other walkers too, I guess. Okay, so this is basically what the wall looks like. So I'm gonna try to come back a little bit later. I think it's about 1 p.m. and it's about 94 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think is like 35, 36 Celsius. It actually doesn't feel too hot, but I am gonna go seek some refuge. So I think I can come down the wall off this little spot right here. But anyways, this is basically where we're at. And I guess what we're gonna do is kind of highlight. Oh yeah, I can see lots of people down there riding their bikes. And we're gonna go over to this side real quick. We'll just see what all these things say over here. Okay, so it looks like we got some references to the library, pavilion, Chang'an, maybe in the evening I could actually maybe do the whole thing, maybe. But at the moment, I'm gonna go down and get some shade. So walk back down again. It's pretty nice though. I think it'd be nice in the evening when the sun goes down a little bit. So it closes around 8 o'clock. So we'll go down here. I think we can come down here. Let me just see. Might not be able to. There might not be an exit right here. So yeah, I think if we come down there, we'd just still be in that same spot. So it looks like we're going to be committed to going a little bit further down. We got some more signs as well. I think it's like total of like 3 or 4 kilometers. So it looks like the one that I'll get down is like about a kilometer down that way, it looks like. Pretty cool though. So we'll stick with it. Look for an official exit. Okay. So we basically walked halfway down the wall. All the way down, way down there. I think it's about 2 kilometers. And it looks like we're gonna try to come down. We got some shade over there. I'm basically just trying to look for some shade. I got so sunburned already. So anyways, looks like this is going to be where we're going to end up. Yep. So that was a walk on the wall. Okay, we're coming down the wall. Pretty cool. There's some girls that have these period pieces on. I don't know if they're going to go straight or if we're going to run into them. Let's see. Oh, they're going up the other way. It looks pretty cool though. You got these traditional clothing right there. Those 2 girls going up the steps. But anyways, this goes to outside the city. And there's a wall right there. And this goes inside the city. And that sums up our little experience there. Here we go, nice tunnel shot. That's really cool. So, okay. So that's going to be the end of our video right there. Perfect.